Hi guys, today I would like to show you all how to display touches while screen recording on a Xiaomi 14T Pro. So firstly, go into settings. Now, pull from the top of your screen to the bottom and search for the screen record icon. After you found it, just simply press it and hold it. And now scroll to the bottom, and here you can either enable or disable to show touch gestures. Also you can enable or disable to display the show button taps. So if you tap on here, it's going to appear on the screen. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.